Welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you all, to all my subscribers, for always being there and for the continued support into my channel. And I hope you guys are continue watching my video. To all who already subscribed, thank you so much, guys. And to those who are not subscribed yet, please, I hope you would subscribe. And I thank you guys. In a video is about aloe vera, because you know, guys, nowadays it's like we have to make sure that our immune system are strong. So aloe vera is one of the plants that have a benefits into our body that can help us, you know, make our immune system strong. You know, so I would like to say thank you to the person who introduced me into this aloe vera. Is my ex-boss, and her name is Miss Jocelyn Ralius Brinkley. I started researching it. What is the benefits of aloe vera on our body? So when I found out, like, this is good for your immune system, you know, like it helps you flush toxins in your body, you know. Since then, I was like starting making juice for me to drink in the morning. Research it. I seen it that you can put a lemon and ginger and honey into it, so it gives you a flavor. So that's what since then, when I found out about it, I just started doing it. So, and it is true, it's a very good taste. And it's true that aloe vera has a lot of benefits in your entire body, you know. As they say, it's an inflammatory or it's an antibacterial. So today, guys, I'm gonna harvest my aloe vera and I'm gonna make it a aloe vera juice in my living room balcony, and see the view. Most people are like buying products with aloe vera in it, but me here, since I have a lot of aloe vera, I will harvest and show you guys what I do to it. Okay, so we're gonna start harvesting it now. Guys, we are in the second balcony. This is the room of my son. So I have another aloe vera here. See, look, and the view. Again, the view. Here, look. See that? It's huge. Come on, beauty. Especially this one, look. Oh my god, are you ready? Yay! The biggest in it. We're done harvesting, so we're ready to clean it. You have to clean it properly. Okay, so done washing. What we're gonna do now is taking out the sharp side. Okay, see, cut it like this. See the small ones? We need it for, we can use it for the hair since we cannot take out the gel from it because it's too small. So we just save it there for we can put it in our hair. After we slice it, we take out the skin. See? And then this is what we're gonna do. Use the spoon, take out the gel. There. Alright. I'm sorry guys, it looks like messy, but that's how it is. Anyway, I'm the only one who's gonna drink it, so it looks like it's messy, but that's the only way to do it. Guys, look! We need a little bit more. So, this is my budget for the whole week for my juice. Put it all in the ref. And then every day, this is what I use for my juice in the morning before I eat my breakfast. This is the aloe vera gel, and this is honey, and this is ginger and lemon. So these are our ingredients for the aloe vera juice that I'm gonna make. After I slice, I cut the lemon in half and squeeze it here. Make the juice. So there's the lemon juice. We're gonna put it all here. With the lemon juice and the aloe vera gel, the honey. Just put it all together. So we're gonna blend it now. Okay. So guys, after the blender, we need to make it sala-sala. Strain it. Put in the strainer. Let the juice come out. There it is. See? The aloe vera. So it's so fresh. So guys, if you have aloe vera at home, please make it. What is very good for your body. It's really lots of benefits. So guys, cheers. Empty. Believe me guys, it's good for you. So you have to drink it, fresh aloe vera juice. Don't forget guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again on my next video. Thank you. Bye.